Hi, I'm Sean from MyBottomChef. In today's episode, we will be making Caesar salad. This salad is super easy to prepare, and I will teach you step by step. There is a link in the description for the recipe. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. 4 anchovy fillets finely chopped. One tablespoon of capers finely chopped. To make the Caesar salad dressing, we will begin by adding 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Next, we will whisk the ingredients together. Now we will slowly add the olive oil as we keep on whisking. Next, add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Add the 4 anchovy fillets that were finely chopped. Add the 1 tablespoon of capers that were finely chopped. Add 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan. 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Whisk all the ingredients together. Place the salad dressing in a sealed container and then store it in the refrigerator until it's ready to serve. Cut 2 slices of bread into 1/2-inch cubes. We will now make the croutons. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Stir the ingredients. Add in the 2 slices of bread cubes. Add a little bit of shredded Parmesan cheese. Spread out the croutons on the baking tray. Add some pepper. Add some salt. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the croutons in the oven. Set oven timer for 30 minutes. Now we will cut the romaine lettuce. Rinse the lettuce. Pour the salad dressing in the bowl. Add the lettuce to the bowl. Add half the croutons. Add the remainder of the salad dressing. Give the salad a good toss. Add more croutons. Add the Parmesan cheese. There you have it, Caesar salad.